Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be showing how to create a quick and easy tumbler wrap template. Most tumblers come with a paper label, and this is what we'll be using to begin our template. Remove the label as shown, being careful not to rip it. Most tumblers have a taper, and by using the label, it will help in finding our template arc. Next, find the measurement on how large you want the template to be. I generally go with about 3.5 to 4 inches on height for the wraps. After getting your measurements, transfer everything onto some poster board or more sturdy material. I mark the top curve of the template and both sides. Then with a ruler, I measure my preferred height. Then I connect the lines with the lower curve. Cut out your template. There will be some overlap to the template initially. This will be adjusted momentarily. Next, I use the template on a piece of 5 to 6 ounce veg tan leather to get my final measurements. Trim the leather down on each side so that it meets perfectly in the back of the tumbler. Now that you have your desired leather measurements, retrace back onto the poster board template to get your final and accurate tumbler template. And that's it, y'all. Be sure to mark and label your template so that you can use it in any future wraps that you do. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you some insights into how to create some templates. If you like this video, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. And as always, I hope y'all have a great day.